Okay, use logarithmic differentiation to differentiate each function with respect to x. Okay, so we have not done anything like this before, so this is a new tactic. Now, can you find the derivative of this by doing the product rule and the chain rule and all of that? Yes, but here is a new method that sometimes simplifies things by the logarithmic method, which means we're going to be taking the log or the natural log of both sides. So here we go. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take the natural log of both sides. That's it. That's all I did. All I added was the natural log to both of those. Okay? But on the right side, so over here, you use the properties of logarithms before you attempt to find the derivative. All right, so this is multiplication. It's going to expand to addition, and then remember these exponents are going to go down in front. So we're going to take the natural log of 3x subtract 2 that's been raised to the second power, plus it expands to addition, plus the natural log of x cubed plus 3 to the fourth. I'm actually going to, we don't even have to worry. Well, we could have done it another way, but I did use the logarithmic powers. All right, so now we have it simplified to right here. I just brought this down in front, this down in front. Technically, I could have shown you a different way to do that, but this is probably the fastest way to do that. So there we have it, simplified that far. Now we're going to take the derivative of both sides. That's it. So the natural log, or the derivative of the ln of y, it's just 1 over y times dy dx. Okay? Then on this side, so we're going to have 2 times 1 over all of this times the derivative of this, plus 4 times 1 over all of this times the derivative of this. So 2 times 1 over this right here times the derivative. Well, the derivative of 3x is 3. And right here, 4 times the derivative, 1 over this, because that would be the derivative of a natural log, 1 over that times the derivative of x cubed, which is 3x squared. And we're going to simplify further. And notice, I want to get this by itself, so I'm going to multiply both sides by y. So I did that. I'm going to multiply both sides by y. And all of this I cleaned up. 2 times 3 is 6 over 3x subtract 1. 4 times 3x squared is 12x squared over x cubed plus 3. And I think CUDA software might leave it as this is the final answer. But I think what some professors are going to expect to see, you're going to have to substitute that y. Well, what does y equal? Well, y is just all of this stuff, that original function. So that's what I'm going to expect to see. That you remember to substitute back in this y right here was just that original function. And then we multiplied it by the derivative of the right side. All right, and I think, yep, that's it for this one.